everyone, it's Tammy, and I just got back from Hobby Lobby and I thought I'd do a quick unboxing of the great things that I found there. And I was told not to get any more yarn by Tracy, but I don't care what she says because I like my yarn. This is $4.99. I can't help it. I love this stuff. It's called Spa Day. This was the only skein they had left, and it makes a beautiful scarf. I love the way it feels, and I just got it. So there. And then this one I used my 40% off coupon. I'm telling myself that it's okay if I use a 40% off coupon when I get stuff like this. I already have one of these, but I might just, I don't know, I love this color and I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it. To be quite honest, I have Tracy in mind when I'm looking at this because I know she likes this color too. Green is her favorite, but so I don't know. I might do something for her, and then since I have two, maybe I could make a matching one for me or whatever. I mean, it's not like we go to school together or anything, but I guess that is kind of juvenile to say, but it's fun to know that your friend, even from far away, is maybe wearing the same thing you are or whatever. So I don't know. Now that I said that though, she's probably going to say it was fine that I bought the yarn. And then I got this, which I thought was really cool. I'm going to send this to Katie. This was 40% off, and it says love, and it's, I don't know, aluminum or something, and the O is red, but the other letters are just distressed. I'm thinking it's aluminum. I don't know. I mean, it's very flexible. I need to send her a package anyway, so this will go in it, and I'll probably do a video of the package that I send, but there won't be a lot in it. I spent a total of $36.45 on all of this. This was only $3. I thought this was really cool. It was originally $11.99, and you know Hobby Lobby has such great sales anyway, but we have a wall that I put crosses up on, and I thought this would make a nice addition to that, especially for $3. I couldn't let it sit there. So yeah, I'm trying to see how much it was before $3.99. Well, I can't get it off. What if it was less? Because it kind of looked like it was $2.22. Maybe it was $7.77 or something. Oh no, it does say $2.99 and now it's $3. That's hilarious. Why in the world? But oh well. I still like it no matter what. So there's that. And then I also got a fat quarter, and I just love cherries. I think they're really pretty. And I have something in mind for this, a craft that will probably be shown on one of my videos coming up in the next few months. And same with this, I'll probably do this as a video, I don't know. This is a DIY tassel, and I thought that Katie might like it because it says Wanderlust on it, and she likes that. And this was only 89 cents, so I don't know if I'll do this in camera or not, but I don't know, it's kind of fun. And then I found this in the Valentine stuff, and I thought this was just really pretty. It's just ribbon, but it's bling ribbon, so it looks like, you know, the rhinestones. I thought it was really pretty. I thought, you know, sometimes you see it on the liner of a cup or something, and maybe I could use it for that even. So that's cool. And then I got these stickers. They were 40% off, and I have something in mind for these. So you'll probably see that soon. And same with this. I thought this was really cute. It was also 40% off. It's something from the spring collection, or I think, no, it just says the Paper Studio. So it was 40% off because they are Paper Studio stuff. And it does say it's a chalkboard, so I don't know if it really is. I don't know if I have any chalk handy, but is this chalk? It doesn't say it's chalk, so I dare say it is. I think it's just a blender pen. Oh, that's it. Well, this white pen should come off. All right, so far so good. I'm batting 1,000, aren't I? And it doesn't. And And I put it on the back, so, oh well, I don't know. I have something in mind for this, so hopefully it'll work. And then I found these for 40% off. I had to get them. Look at the cute little hedgehog. 2 of them. They're just adorable. And I love these little dogs and the cats. I love it all. This actually looks like the cricket animals. Some of them look like the cricket animals. Those dogs and these frogs. Maybe even the hedgehog. Especially this one. Huh. And the cow, for sure. Wow. How about that? And then I got this, a garden flag. It was, again, 40% off. So it was, I don't know, $6 and something. And it just says, be my Valentine. Well, it says this. It's super cute. You guys know I love me some Snoop Doggy Dog. And I don't think it's too early to put this out. So I'll probably put that out tomorrow. And then have my cute stickers. And I'm going to be doing something with those. And then I just got some, isn't that cute? I got some patterns. They give these for free, but I like to pick them up if I see new ones. So that's that. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.